Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine. I am Miss Habiba Naeem from Multan Public School and College, Multan. Dear students, you have learned about the present continuous and the past continuous tenses in detail, along with their examples in the previous lectures. Today, you will study the future continuous tense in detail. Let's start future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? Listen the definition. The future continuous refers to an unfinished action or event that will be in progress at a time later than now. Let's see the construction of future continuous tense. First of all, see the positive form. First, we have to use subject with will or shall, then be, and then verb with ing. When the sentence is in negative form, we have to use first subject, then will or shall, then use of not, then use of be, verb with ing. When the sentence is in question form, we notice that first we use will or shall, then use of subject, then use of be with verb with ing. Now I will tell you the use of will and shall. We use shall with I and we, and use will with remaining all the subjects like you, they, he, she, and it. Dear students, now have a look at these sentences given in the form of positive, negative, and interrogative form. Sentence number 1, it is in the form of positive. I shall be starting my work. And its negative form is I shall not be starting my work. And interrogative form is shall I be starting my work? Sentence number 2, you will be starting your work. And negative form is you will not be starting your work. And interrogative form is will you be starting your work? Sentence number 3, he will be starting his work. Negative is he will not be starting his work, and interrogative is will he be starting his work? Look at sentence number 4. She will be starting her work. Negative is she will not be starting her work. Interrogative is will she be starting her work? Sentence number 5. It will be starting its work. Negative is it will not be starting its work, and interrogative is will it be starting its work? Look at sentence number 6. We shall be starting our work. Negative is we shall not be starting our work, and interrogative is shall we be starting our work? Sentence number 7. They will be starting their work. Negative form is they will not be starting their work, and interrogative form is will they be starting their work? Dear students, here is an activity for you related to future continuous tense. Question is fill in the blanks with the future continuous tense form of the verb given in the brackets. See sentence number 1. Professor Smith dash teach American history next semester. I am going to do one for you. Professor Smith will be teaching American history next semester. Do the remaining in the same way. Next question is convert these sentences into negative and interrogative sentences. Sentence number 1, he will be flying a kite. Number 2, it will be raining tomorrow. Number 3, she will be enjoying her vacations. Number 4, we shall be expecting honesty from you. Sentence number 5, I shall be delivering a speech. Thank you, dear students. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.